Hi, I'm Enrico Gamberoni, Installation Department Manager. I'm here for DB Technologies, and from this year we introduce our new department dedicated to installation. So we have a lot of new things about the installation, so passive product as the new ISE VP series, or the TRF speakers with transformers, software, and a lot of things dedicated to this market. I can say we want to go in this market in a really serious way. Our know-how starts from live production, starts from concert and something like that. And in this case, we want to take this kind of know-how and bring it and put it inside the installation market with software. We present here our cloud solution for amplifier, and starting from big speakers for big venues up to small speaker for background music and something like that. For more information, you can visit our site www.dbtechnologies.com. Thank you.